Melatonin is a hormone produced by the pineal gland at night. It combines both chronobiotic and cytoprotective properties. As chronobiotic, it influences phase and amplitude of biological rhythms. As a cytoprotective, it alleviates the low-degree inflammatory damage present in neurodegenerative disorders, especially Alzheimer's disease and aging. Advancing age is characterized by low levels of melatonin. In transgenic models of Alzheimer's disease, melatonin has been shown to modulate beta-amyloid plaques and formation of neurofibrillary tangles. How are these mechanisms relate with the clinical presentations of Alzheimer's disease? Beta-amyloid plaques and neurofibrillary tangles are both hallmarks of Alzheimer's disease. Beta-amyloid plaques are formed from the breakdown of a large protein called amyloid precursor protein. They disrupt neuronal function when they clump together and accumulate between neurons. Beta-amyloid plaques are continuous formed, but in normal conditions, they are also cleared. In Alzheimer's disease, there is an excessive accumulation and less clearance of these plaques. While neurofibrillary tangles are accumulation of chemically modified Tau proteins inside neurons. Tau proteins normally stabilizes and attaches to microtubules inside the cell. Microtubules have the function to support neurons' transport system, but neurofibrillary tangles disrupt the attachment of Tau to microtubules. As a consequence, the neuron's transport system is also altered, which inhibits synaptic communication between cells. Melatonin blocks the formation of amyloid fibrils, which facilitates the peptide clearance induced by proteolytic degradation, thus facilitating a beta clearance. Melatonin also blocks the signaling pathway that increases amyloid beta generation and tau hyperphosphorylation via protein kinase C activation and inhibition of GSK3 pathway. These effects of melatonin to the amyloid beta plaques and tau hyperphosphorylation protect neuronal cells from a beta-mediated toxicity, which slows down the progression of cognitive impairment.